Hello there, my name is Noah Peters and I'm with Vektek, here to introduce our new product, the auto coupler and pallet receiver. The auto coupler is our new solution to pallet decoupled systems where it needs to be automated for robotic or just more efficient applications. A couple things that make this product special are, first of all, the mechanical lock that separates and holds the hydraulic forces. This allows our auto coupler to not put excessive forces on the pallet while you're passing hydraulic fluid to it. Another feature that makes the auto coupler and pallet receiver special is the alignment pins and the compliance of the auto coupler. The auto coupler itself is mounted on rubber isolators, which allows it to float and makes the alignment process for robotic applications or a slide mount a lot easier in the integration process. Another common problem with palletized systems is debris in the work environment. To combat this issue, the Vektek auto coupler has an integrated blow-off system which cleans the pallet receiver right before it connects. The auto coupler and pallet receiver have enough hydraulic ports for 2 double-acting hydraulic circuits, and it also has 2 pneumatic pass-throughs for air advanced work support actuation and pneumatic part sensing. The Vektek pallet receiver has 2 easy-to-access PO check valves for your double-acting circuits. These are easy to access for preventative maintenance or any other maintenance you need to do. It also has integrated filtration to protect these check valves and to protect the components you have on your fixture. The pallet receiver can be manifold mounted on the back or the bottom, depending on how you want to orientate your pallet receiver. It can also be hard plumbed through the SAE6 ports on the back and the bottom. So if you're designing a palletized system or looking to redesign your existing pallet decoupler system, the Vektek auto coupler is a tool you can use to automate it and gain productivity.